Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin.
But I'm putting up my hair because it is time to clean. When I put up my hair, it's kind of like cleaning lady ready. Okay, it's kind of like, you know, I'm getting ready to do this, you know? I'm getting ready to clean this house quickly. It's kind of like a sport, you know? You get it in your mode. I'm doing this video. It's going to be a 2-day video combining 2 days of cleaning, and as you can see, I am on my 2nd day of cleaning. So let's move this camera around. I definitely have some cleaning to do, especially in the rest of the house. So yeah, let's get started. Let's do this. Hope you guys like this video. If you do, then give it a like. Let me know that you do. If you guys want to, subscribe to see more videos like this. Alright guys, let's get into it. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I will see you in the video.
Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond.
Alright y'all, so let's see what you can get done in the next 10 minutes with me.
The world inhales as we go. I wouldn't want it any other way. No, no, no. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond.
So as you can see, I'm starting to make the bed, and we don't have the bed set yet. We're getting that in, so I'm very excited. So stay tuned to see that and see what we get.
Pretty eyes, pretty lips. You know they told me you will fall too easily, but guess I like a quick fix. It's just not that I don't listen, it's just the way you're coming so close to me. It's just not that I don't feel the tension, it's just the way I want you to come closer. Go ahead, yeah, go ahead, go and break my little heart. Yeah, break my little heart. I don't care, no, I don't care. Either way, I fall apart.
You guys, look at that pile of laundry. Woo, I was so... it was a lot. I'm not gonna lie, it was a lot, but we got it done. I'm so happy I did. But while I'm here, while I'm on here talking, I want to ask you guys a question. Do you guys like when I talk a lot? Do you guys like when I talk throughout it, or when I talk a little bit less? What do you guys think? What's your favorite way to listen, your favorite way to watch? Let me know down below.
It's just not that I don't feel the tension, it's just the way I want you to come closer. Go ahead, yeah, go ahead, go and break my little heart. Yeah, break my little heart. I don't care, no, I don't care. Either way, I follow.
on this night I was making some Salisbury steak, some mashed potatoes, and then also some corn that you'll see that I threw on the side. I'm just heating up some onions to go along with our little steaks, and I'll make some gravy too. So it was pretty good.
Stuck in the middle of coming inside and walking out. Just stay for a little. You say as you close the door behind me, look in the mirror, hearing you whisper in my ear, say are you a sinner?
So once the clothes come out of the dryer, one of my favorite ways to go through them is to make one pile for my husband and then one pile for me. I just feel like this is the easiest, simplest way, and then I grab all the hangers that don't have clothes on them from our closet and I bring them out onto the bed, and then when I'm all done sorting, I just hang them up. I just find that that is the easiest way. Playing the Beatles, you got my high school t-shirt on, it's looking so easy. You killing my headphones with that song, the way that you're laughing, spilling the milkshake in your bed. I know what you're after, yeah, I know what you're after. Let's get unpredictable tonight, you and me and vodka cola light. In situations, standing on my own. They say that you love a confrontation, and that everybody knows you white lies, white scars, wild nights, dive bars, burning me out, you're burning me out. Yeah, you're burning me out. Tonight, you and me and vodka cola light, and I'm putting myself in situations, standing on my own. They say that you love a confrontation, and that everybody knows. I'm looking at you, I'm trying to get your attention. Can I come close? I don't know how to play this. Our hands touch once or twice, feeling kind of hypnotized. I'm looking at you and I feel the tension. You know, this could be like heaven. I am right here, doing my best to make you feel like I do. And just for a second, you're looking at me, making me feel like maybe you want this too. Give me your attention. I'm trying to breathe, but the air feels just like water. So I figured I would show you guys the cleaning products I've been using in this video. I have just been using these Windex wipes on everything that has glass, and then Lysol for pretty much everything else, the counters and everything like that. And then guys, this is the final result. Everything is done, the laundry's done, everything, cleaning the counters, cleaning the floors, just everything. I was just so happy. Of course there's little things to do, but I'm just happy most of it is done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then come back for another one, because I love making these videos for you, and let me know down below, because I love hearing your feedback, what you liked, what you didn't like. And of course, I hope you guys were motivated and inspired to do whatever you needed to do for today. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye, guys.